Hi everybody, it's Thursday afternoon. I'm not really very sure what time it is. It's about 12:22 Thursday afternoon. And Dave Beck and Joe Walker and I have done a little work here on the old St. Ann bell. When I was a little boy, I used to go to St. Ann's Church with my mother's mother. And we used to hear this bell ring way up high in the big tower. And now we've got it back and just put it together for St. Mark's. This is our first ring. You all ready?
We're ready.
Ready.
Here it goes. Wasn't that great?
Yay!
Loud, it was just right.
Maybe you open the grand doors and listen to it outside.
Oh my.
Thanks, just wanted you to see it.